Welcome, in front of me is an iPhone Air, and today I'll show you how we can enable power saving mode on this phone. So, to get started, you will want to swipe down from the top right side of the screen for your control center, and we will first need to add this toggle to our control center, as it's not added by default. So hold the empty space somewhere here, and then click on Add a Control. Find the low power mode, and just simply tap on it. As you can see, it gets automatically added. You can click on that space again to disable the editing mode, and from here, click on the toggle. Gets you this pop-up, low power mode, mail fetching, a background app refresh, automatic downloads, and some visual effects are reduced to this reduced or disabled in a low power mode. So we're gonna select continue, and you can see we do have this indicator right here, the battery color changes to show you that the mode is right now active. Now, for instance, for the visual effects that it was referring, the display refresh rate will be reduced to 60 frames, which means that the display will look much choppier than it's usually that you might be actually used to. Now, another thing was the mail fetching, so it will turn off any kind of mobile data and Wi-Fi to preserve battery life when you're not using the device, which in turn results in you not getting notifications from applications that require internet connection, such as, for instance, mail. So if you have some kind of problem with your notifications being delayed, not delivered to you on time, most likely it's the power saving mode to be at fault here. Now once you're done, you can just find this toggle once more, tap on it once again, and this obviously turns it off and undo the changes that were made. So, with that being said, hopefully you found this very helpful, and if you did, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.